Ankita, can I start by getting you to explain to the BJP spokesperson and to everyone who's watching what happened in your instance? What happened with Neelam Singh, your mother? The government is claiming that there is absolutely no shortage of oxygen or ventilators or beds. What did you go through yourself?
Initially, my mother tested negative on the 27th when we did her antigen test. Then again, I took her to Lohia, wherein she tested positive on the 31st. So her oxygen level was dropping. It was 90. So we thought of getting her admitted to the hospital. Somehow we got Lok Bandhu Hospital. Uh, the ambulance came around 2:30 a.m. in the midnight, and she went there. She couldn't get the bed. She had to wait there outside on the chair, sitting on the chair, uh, till morning, 7 o'clock. After she got the bed, they gave her oxygen because her oxygen levels were dropping. Now, the next day when I called her, she looked fine. But by the time it was midnight, she did not have any food. She did not have any water. Can you believe Lok Bandhu is the COVID hospital? It was completely dedicated towards COVID patients. And there was no water for the patients. Water is the basic necessity. It's a basic necessity. And all the doctors say drink a lot of water, take steam, and do whatsoever. There was no water in the toilet even. This is what she had to go through. Next morning, I ran to the hospital with the water bottles, and I get to know that the timing for uh, sending anything to the patient is probably 8 to 10. And I reached there by 10:30, and they denied. They said someone will have to wear a PPE kit, and then they'll go inside, and then only we can deliver it. So the timing is fixed. We can't help you. My mother was starving. She was thirsty. She was weak. What the doctors were doing there? And yes, to my surprise, I'll tell you one more thing. Lok Bandhu isolation wards have stray dogs roaming around. Can you imagine? This is the condition of hospitals. There were no doctors. There were no help desk. There was one guy sitting on the help desk who kept on telling me her oxygen level is 94, 96, 94, 96, wherein I knew. I was on a video call with her. She couldn't speak. She couldn't say a word to me. I would only see her health deteriorating day by day. She was there for 3 days. What the government is doing, what the doctors are doing.